Hey, how you guys doing? Today's episode is sponsored by the Kenyon cooker. We're going to be cooking on the Kenyon grill that is American made. I'm sure you guys love that one. Did you hear me? It's American made. I want to make sure I'm getting through to you because every time I have something from China on the show, you guys tell me this is American made. So we're going to check this out. Great for tailgating, great for camping, great for apartment dwellers. All right? And it's safe indoor and out. Let's take a look at it. It's like nothing I've ever seen before. Beautiful stainless steel outside. I'm going to bring you in close so you can see the control panel. Okay, guys, here's the control panel. It goes from low all the way to high. It goes as high as 600 degrees, hotter than your oven. All right, let's open it up. This is a brand new, so they just sent it to the show. Whoops, so we're going to take the plastic off. Looks like we got all our instruction manuals in here and all our care products of taking care of the outside of the stainless steel, and it's called the City Grill. All right, there's medium, because there's low, there's high, I'm right in the middle, and it even shows you that it's on right here. So let's heat that up first. All right, here's what's incredibly weird is you can't tell that it's hot, so we're gonna have to throw a little bit, just a drop of water on this to make sure we preheat it correctly. So let me go get some water right now. Go ahead. Yep. It's so bizarre because there's no flame. This is great for tailgating. I totally imagine right now, it's 2 hours before the UT game. We are tailgating in the parking lot and our Kenyon City Grill is whipped out and we're ready to get our grill marks on. Are you ready? All right, let's do this. We got our dogs on, or really our bratwursts on. So we got to put something really creative on now too. I think we need some patties. What do you think? Get some hamburger patties on there. And what's the last thing we need to do? Just close this bad boy up to keep the heat in. Look at that. All right, I'm not ready to touch it yet. I'm letting it cook. But I gotta tell you, this device is getting me excited because I'm thinking about all the ways I can use it. The number one way I can use this device, and I never even thought about this, but I could take it to Bible study because it's portable and it's allowed to be used indoors and no flame. I could be cooking hot stuff for my Bible study group and gosh, that'd be awesome. They'd be shocked. In a few minutes, we're going to check for grill marks. We want to show you how this grills. Underneath this grill, there is a drip pan. It's just a tin pan that you can get at the store. Easy to replace. Once again, they thought of everything here. Let's close this up a few more minutes. Another thought came to me. This is so cool, I don't have to fire up my stove. This is like having a second stove. I say we take a peek. Look at them grill marks. Here we go. Look at that. Gotta get, well, I don't like my burger too well done. So let's get these dogs over. Perfect grill marks on the sausages. The oil's going in an easy removable drip pan that you can buy anywhere at any store. The burgers are cooking, and I'm feeling real happy because the smell of this is all throughout the house. All right, one thing I'm noticing when I'm flipping these burgers is they're not stuck to the grill at all. I mean, they're like really slick. Whoop, this one's splitting. Sorry about that. Get back there. Here we go. But I must say that it's like ice. It's like a non-stick, slick surface for your hamburger patties. Okay, we flipped everything. I just want to talk really quick about how this thing's put together. This is well built. This isn't a chintzy plastic. This is stainless steel, special venting on the side, some really good gripping handles to carry with you anywhere you want to go. All right, let's talk about these delicious looking hamburgers. They have a little garlic powder in them, a little onion powder in them. I put a little bit of Italian seasoning in them, and I put some Worcestershire sauce inside the meat, and I mixed it all up. They're delicious. Time to take these burgers off. Let me grab a nice clean plate. There's so many good things about this cooker. My favorite feature is it goes up to 600 degrees. That means I can use it like an oven if I want to bake a pizza in here. I can do whatever I want. There's a website you can go visit to get yourself a cover for your device, a little table that you don't have to put it on your tailgate. You can put it on the table. They thought of everything. It is the City Grill by Kenyon. I can't thank them enough for turning me on to this device. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. All I need is a football game. Are you guys ready? Because I've already started eating off camera, so now I'm going to try it right now. Here we go. First bite of sausage. Oh, it cooks so fast. Now a little bit of hamburger. I highly recommend this. If you are interested in this, they're giving my viewers a discount code. Punch in Cooking with Jack at the end when you're purchasing, okay? It's down below. There's a link to their site so you can go purchase the City Grill and check it out for yourself, all right? In the meantime, I will see you on the next episode of Cooking with Jack. Love you. Bye-bye.